Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials, and website review. If you're new here, kindly like, subscribe and hit notification bell, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by working remotely, and for this one it's about a Kiswahili remote job. So without wasting time, I'm just going direct to the website. And also another thing, for this website you can try other jobs, but for specifically if you don't have the online tools that I have highlighted in my previous video, you can come back here and apply for this one without any cost. So let's get into it. And for the website that you are going to use, it's called Outlier. So here it is, outlier.ai. So we are just going to go through the website. As you can see here, you just work here to train an AI. As you can see, the task here, they are generalist: math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and so much more. So without further ado, we just need to, so as you can see here, you just need to share your knowledge, connect with fellow experts, and get paid on your terms. So earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. So let's come here to view jobs. So as you can see here, this one is for San Francisco. I think it's for US. So if you want maybe to navigate or to get this work outside Africa or outside the country that you're interested in working, as you can see here, it's only available on United States, Canada, Australia, etc, etc. So you can try using a Mo login or a VPN, but for this video it's for Kiswahili, that you don't need to use any VPN or proxy. As you can see here, you can also try applying for this one, like this one for global. As you can see, it's written global. Let's say you know German and you're in Africa, you can also try applying for that. So let's just scroll. We need to scroll up until we find remote AL training for Kiswahili writing expert. So let's go through them. So another thing, make sure you have a very good CV. And for CV, I told you, you just need to use enhanced CV to create a very looking CV. Also, you can try paying someone to create a good CV for you. As you can see here, the preferred qualification, not a must qualification, they are not a must. You should apply if you meet any of these: professional translator, enrollment or undergraduate in humanities field, also completion in graduate program related to creative thinking, experience writing professionally. For the earning, as you can see, you will earn up to 12.5 per hour, and for location it's globally. Also the duration is variable depending on the project length. For you to apply, you need to have LinkedIn, and if you don't know LinkedIn, it's so good because if you have worked in a company, every details or any skills that you attained there, you just highlight it there. You highlight maybe the position, maybe you are a manager, you are a supervisor, you are customer support, or maybe you are a receptionist. It's usually on LinkedIn. And also if you feel that you can't get any online jobs, you can go to LinkedIn, maybe search, let's say you are searching for a specific job, let's say receptionist. Do you know you can apply directly with that? Yeah, because LinkedIn highlights all what you have acquired in your previous. So as you can see here, are you a Kiswahili native? You just need to click yes. Which country do you reside? It's so recommended to choose your country. Are you authorized to work in the country you are living in? Yes. So for the school, so searching, so let's say I studied in Mount Kenya. I just want to see if it will appear here. Mount Kenya University. As you can see, it's not available. That's why I recommend, or I advise you apply with LinkedIn. But if you